Hi everyone, I'm Brent with VenomPads.com. Today I'm showing the new 16-inch Fat Boy Quartzite Blade. It's an excellent U-segment blade. It's kind of patterned off of the split segment blade, but it's a one mold blade, so it has a U segment. It's excellent for cutting quartzite at a faster speed than the Fat Boy 1 and the Fat Boy 2. It has the same kind of cutting properties if you're used to cutting with the original Fat Boy blades. An excellent choice for quartzite and also an excellent choice for quartz. So if you're in between doing quartz and quartzite, you can keep this blade on. It's 20 millimeter segment height, so it's pretty decent when it comes to miter cutting too. You can throw in some miters. Check it out on venompads.com.